Lisa, let's talk about what's happening right now. Who is getting the most snow? Where is this?
Yeah, heaviest to the south and to the west of Denver, and very typical for us this time of year where you get even just a little bit of an elevation change and that upslope flow. But on your coffee cast, hopefully you can enjoy the morning and maybe not head to work. Kids aren't headed to school. We'll be in the 30s this morning with those pockets of heavy snow. Now, this is going to be, it looks like, the biggest storm that we've seen in 3 years. We talked about it since March of 2021. We'll talk more about those totals and what we would need to get to, obviously, to get there. But it looks like we're going to see a good 6 to 12, if not more, near the airport. Now, this snow is going to continue all day long. Usually when we see some of our storms roll in, it's bad through the early morning hours and then starts to taper off by about 11 o'clock. This one's going to continue to bring more snow. So in some areas, we're talking an additional 5 to about 12 inches between now and early tomorrow morning on top of what you're already waking up to. So take a look at satellite and radar and you can see just how heavy it is, especially up and through those northern and southern Front Range mountains, south and west of Colorado Springs, getting up closer to Pikes Peak. There's going to be some impressive totals there. Right in and across the metro area, though, if you have to get out here within the next 15 to 20 minutes, you can see we've got a little dry pocket right over the airport right now, but we're going to continue to see all that moisture funnel in. So some heavier snow falling as we speak down near Castle Rock, up along C470. As you get closer to Evergreen, Conifer, up there along Evergreen Parkway, some heavy snow. And again, a lot of this starting off yesterday as rain. So we knew it was going to be that heavy, wet snow, typically is here this time of year. Take a look at the alerts in pink. Those are going to be winter storm warnings in effect here in town until 6 o'clock tomorrow morning. So that just gives you an idea. The next 24 hours, more snow to come. Winter weather advisories to the north and east where that snow is going to be lighter, closer to spots like Berthoud, north up toward Fort Collins. But we could still see a good 4 to 8, maybe even locally up to 10 inches in a few of those spots. It's really going to be in through parts of, as you can see, Larimer, Boulder, Jefferson, Douglas counties, where we have that 12 to 36 inch range. And it doesn't take much. It could be a quarter of a mile, and those numbers will vary drastically up and through the foothills, depending on the winds and what slope, what side of the mountain you're on. Here across the metro area, likely around 12 to 18 inches, and the Palmer Divide is still looking at upwards of around 2 feet by tomorrow morning. So take a look at Futurecast. One obviously big issue are those gusty northeasterly winds pushing all that moisture in. We get that upslope flow. It wrings all that moisture out. And so we're going to see those heavy pockets of snow off and on through the morning hours. We'll be in the low to mid 30s here by about 10:30. That's where we're going to hover through the afternoon. Snow continues, a bit of a rain snow mix over the northeastern corner of the state where it's just a touch warmer. And then overnight tonight, things will gradually start to lighten up. And by early tomorrow morning, we'll be left with a few light snow showers, but then clearing skies by tomorrow afternoon. That's at right around 5 o'clock on Friday, where we'll see some sunshine. So by that point, things will start to melt. Highs are actually going to be at near 40 degrees tomorrow afternoon, and then we'll see some warmer weather here for the weekend. Super 7-day, though, heavy snow, low 30s today, close to 40 with some early morning snow on Friday, and then mid to upper 40s Saturday and Sunday. Next week, that's a treat, Jason. 62 degrees by Tuesday. We've got some time to get through it. It's going to feel a lot longer once we get through today, especially for those that have to be on the road.